Welcome everybody. Thank you all so much for joining me here today. My name is Pritesh with KaizenCrypto. This is a closeout video for our Fund 11 proposal titled Cardano Calendar Web3 Integrations and Feature Development. This proposal was submitted in Fund 11 under the Cardano Use Cases Solution category. We started March 2024 and we're wrapping up here September 2025. So it's been quite the journey to get us to this point. I wanted to go ahead and show you the platform here in this video and talk about some of the things that we have now moving forward. So let's go ahead and jump right in, taking a look at the computer. I've got a closeout report also that corresponds with this video, talking about some of the things related to our project, talking about some of the KPIs and key achievements. We went ahead and added Web3 features related to this proposal. So we now have a wallet login feature, allowing you to connect your wallet and incorporating NFTs into the platform as well, so you can create featured event listings on the calendar. We've also got the ability to see now details related to the Cardano blockchain. So if you wanted to see when is ADA payday or what is the ADA price, we've also included that as well. We did also clean up the UI and the UX based on some feedback from the Cardano community. So thank you to everybody who participated in our bug bounty program. That was very insightful for our team to helping us iron out some of those creases. So taking a look at the project itself, I just wanted to go ahead and dive right into that. We've also got a budget breakdown as well, talking about what we've spent the money on. We've been funded for 150,000 ADA with this proposal, so you can take a look at that with this report. So let's go ahead and dive into the platform. If you haven't already checked it out, it's cardanocalendar.io. And this is the homepage. It's really great to see every time I go to Cardano Calendar, it seems like there's more events than there was the last time. So I really love that. And thank you to everybody who has been using the calendar. I think it's really great, especially for things like X Spaces or in-person events. It's a really good way to keep up with everything happening in the ecosystem. Taking a look back at some previous months, you can see, I think the only day which there's really not much going on is Sunday, but every other day is always packed in the Cardano ecosystem. So I really like to see that, and that's been month after month. So thank you to everybody using the platform. Let's quickly go through it. I just wanted to very briefly show you some of these key features without going too long in depth. So we've got the Cardano blockchain related events. So we've got the epoch, the slot, ADA price. Let's say if I click on one of these, I can see that this is today with this marker, ADA developer happy hour, always taking place there. We've got a link to the X space. There's more details you can add here. This is a very bare bones listing. Let's take a look. We've even got ADA payday, so you can see when is ADA payday. This is a listing that I created for our recurring events, which is another feature that we've added with this proposal, basically allowing people who have multiple events happening at the same time, usually maybe once or twice a week or even every day, they can set it on autopilot. So let's go to show you the process very briefly of creating an event. We've got featured events and basic events. Featured event giving you a lot more that you can do with flexibility. You can add socials, you can add images, you can engage with the community with a chat feature. That's another feature that we've added. Let's go ahead and click on create. We went ahead and sent out Cool Chimps NFTs, which is our NFT project for the calendar, to all of our Stakepool delegators. We went ahead and just gave these out for free. So if you are a delegator to Kaizen Stakepools, check your wallet because you will be able to use these with the Cardano calendar to create a featured event. We'll go ahead and just, go ahead and do a little bit of a test run here. It shows you where you are right now based on your browser. So right now I'm in Sri Lanka. My wife is Sri Lankan and we're just visiting some family. So greetings from warm, sunny Colombo. And I'm just going to speed right through this here, guys. I'm not really spending too much time. It gives you the option for event recurrence. That's a new feature which we've added. We've cleaned up this UI, UX. We've went ahead and added some tips and pointers to help you use this feature. You can just type in keywords, test for closeout. So we have refined this quite a bit. Now you can even use our rich text editor choosing between different font styles. So we wanted to give people more options as it comes to being able to create an event listing, comments and quick reactions so you can engage with your community on the platform as well. That was something that we added. And just going through this here, you can add your socials, you can add your website. Let's go ahead and click on next. You can add your logo, an event banner, photos, so you can really customize your event listing to your specific event. You'll be able to preview your event listing. Let's go ahead and click on publish. Of course, it's just a test. Let's go ahead and view event. And there we have it. So it's very straightforward to be able to create an event listing. Of course, you can spend as much or as little time as you want. And here we see the option to add comments. Let's say hello world. Let's go ahead and leave a comment. And this gives you another feature if you do have that NFT. Connecting to the platform now gives you the ability to engage with your community directly on the site. So those are some of the things that we have that's been now completed with the conclusion of this Fund 11 proposal. I just wanted to go ahead and sign off by saying thank you so much to everybody who has supported us by voting for this proposal and being supportive and encouraging on social media. I know there was quite a bit of controversy with this proposal, but hopefully this is a platform that now the community is able to benefit from going forward. And we'll continue to improve on the UI, the UX, and of course engaging with our community on social for any type of additional features that you guys like to see in the future. All right, everybody, well, that's what I have for you here in this closeout video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you check the link in the description so you can visit this website if you haven't already, and go ahead and start trying it out for yourself. All right, everybody, until the next one, take care.